welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a flashback Friday video. So I am going to be flashing back on my week in this video, but I pretty much didn't do anything Monday and Tuesday. Today is Wednesday, so I'm starting this vlog off on Wednesday, and a lot of you guys want to see more vlogs, so I wanted to upload at least one vlog a week on the channel for those of the people that wanted to see them. Just because if you guys don't know about the whole YouTube thing and smaller channels, and you have to have a certain amount of views to do this and to do that, so the vlogging channel really wasn't working for me right now. I have to kind of build up on that before it works. But yes, I'm just gonna upload on this channel for a while, and then maybe I'll move back to the vlogging channel later. I don't know. But today we are about to head to Charleston. I'm going down there with my dad and my mom and my sister. We are going to I think it's MUSC. I think that's where we're going. MUSC, which is the like medical hospital down there. We're going down there with my dad. A lot of you guys know about this because I've talked about it on my channel, but my dad is on dialysis, so he has to go to like different hospitals, and he's like on the list at these different hospitals to get a new kidney. So like last year we went to Charleston, he went to Augusta, and now we're going to Charleston. No, he went to Charlotte. Last year he went to Charlotte, Augusta, and now we're going to Charleston. So it's pretty much he have to go and take this class, and they have to like tell him how to treat his new kidney and all that kind of stuff before he can get on the list at that hospital. But he's like a good candidate for a new kidney. We're just waiting on one, if that makes sense. That's what we're doing today. We have to go to that. Yeah, we got lost coming over here, and we was an hour late.
And then we had to ride the bus. Good thing that bus exists because it was a long walk if we would have had to walk.
That lady said we supposed to be at 1:45.
She did say that. No, she said he got an X-ray at 1:45.
Oh yeah, because he's supposed to start at 12. Because when I called here, when we was on our way over here, I was like, my dad was supposed to have an appointment at 12:30. She said, no, he was supposed to be here at 12.
I heard when she said 12:45.
6 hours later.
So we're done now at the hospital, and we're at Raising Cane's.
They got a trip.
They're going in or what?
I just want
this thing got a big box.
a free
This
box.
gonna be mine.
You get 4.
Yeah. My daddy got 4, you got 3. Everybody else got 3. I want a box dinner, and then my daddy want a drink from that little thing.
You got.
And this is what they
What they
get.
got to put on the nuggets?
I got the
That's all.
fries, the cane
Yeah,
nuggets, the bread, and the fries.
Like
I need
chickens.
cane, but
Chickens used to have
cane
little small
sauce
fries
too.
like that.
So
That place
Chickens,
means you ate it.
rallies, and chickens.
We got the hot dogs and
alright, so that's pretty much all I'm gonna do today. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow because I have some errands to run tomorrow. So hey guys, so today is Thursday. Yes, today is Thursday. I am about to run errands now because I have to go get some stuff like ink for the printer and photo paper and all that kind of stuff, because I have to take pictures at a party this weekend. So I have to go get all that stuff for this weekend. Yeah, I'm going to see Black Panther tomorrow. I'm excited. So hopefully I can go tomorrow and then do this shoot on Saturday. It sucks because Just Hilarious is going to be at the Comedy House tomorrow and Saturday, and I really want to go see her, but because I'm going to see Black Panther, then I got to do this party Saturday. I'm not going to be able to go see her, but it's okay. I'll catch her next time she comes, because when she came to Greenville, everybody went to see her. Everybody. And I didn't get to go either. So but anyway, I'm about to run to Walmart and pick up the stuff. Hopefully I can find everything at Walmart and I won't have to go to any more stores. But that's where we're going now, and then I'm coming back home and finishing up this video. I did a video on the Wet n Wild foundation. I'll link it below, but it was yesterday's upload. Well, today's upload, but you guys will see this tomorrow, so yesterday's upload. And I just check out that video to see my thoughts on this foundation. But it's really hot, so I'm about to go now. Okay, so this is the booty. I done got majority of everything on the list. Look at the light bulbs. The ones that I get, I do not see. The ones I get for my studio lights, I don't see them. These are the ones I get for my vanity mirror, but I don't see the ones I get from my studio lights. So now I'm looking for the ink. This is not going good so far. Let me see what color I need first. Dude, this ink is expensive. Like, oh my god. There's literally so much foundation on my phone. But I got this and this. And then this is the photo paper. It's so freaking hot. I hate you guys like in front of the air, but I needed to turn it on and turn it towards me because it is so freaking hot. Like, it's so hot, and it says it's 84 degrees. I am not ready for the summer. I'm really not. But I am on my way home now. As you guys saw, I got all of the food, and I just picked up some stuff for dinner for the next couple of days, like stir fry and like nachos and stuff like that. Just stuff that we can eat at home. Even though we're probably not gonna be home for the next couple of days, but just the stuff to eat so we won't have to go out, because I'm tired of eating out. And I say that as though I'm about to go to Taco Bell and get me some fries, but I don't know. But the guy who I was talking to, if you guys heard it, I don't know if I was recording or not, but he said that the light bulbs that I use for my studio lights, they don't sell them in Walmart anymore. He said that they told them to pull them all off the shelves and that they're going to LED lights now. So I had to go home and see if I can even use LED lights with my studio lights. Okay, I don't even know if you guys can see me because I'm literally in the dark right now, but I've been home for a while now. I just edited and I'm exporting now. Yeah, and I got it a handbrake. So yeah, I have to make the thumbnail and then I'm gonna upload the video, so that should be up soon. I'm gonna butcher his name, so I'm just going to show you guys his name. I think it's Guang Tran, I think that's his name, but I love him. I love his channel. I love him. So I'm watching him make like the ultimate nachos because I'm making nachos tonight and tacos, obviously, because y'all probably think tacos are the only thing I know how to cook, but I just love tacos. Like, that's my favorite thing to eat ever, and I can eat tacos and just Mexican food every single day. Like, I really can. So I just like homemade tacos better than anywhere else. Like, I like my tacos. I think I make some pretty bomb tacos. I really do. It is time to eat, so I'm gonna eat and then I will probably end the vlog here. So thank you guys for watching this Flashback Friday. I have a lot of stuff to do the next few days that will be in next week's Flashback Friday, so you definitely want to stay tuned for that. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.